So now welcome once again student. Today I am going to start the exercise 6.1. Here I written the question number 1. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So here I have drawn the diagram. Whatever given in the question, that is based on this diagram. In the question it is given that AB and CD intersect at point O. That you can also find in the diagram. AB and CD intersect at point O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. So angle AOC, this angle AOC plus angle BOE, this angle. You are given that the sum of these two angles is 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree. So here angle BOD is 40 degree. Then you need to find angle BOE. You need to find angle BOE, value of this angle, and reflex of angle COE. And you need to find the reflex of angle COE. So students, if you are going to solve the question based on the geometry, that is the exercise, a chapter you can say that based on the geometry. So one proper way is applied here to solve the geometry based question, that is the one systematic way is there. Here I am going to explain how to write the solution of the geometry based question. So here first you will start from the given. In the solution first you will write given. In the given you will write the whatever the terms are given in the question. Like in the question you are given that angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is equal to 70 degree. And one more thing is given there, angle BOD equal to 40 degree. So these two values are given in the question. And then what you are going to find in the question? You are going to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. So in the question these values are given, and in the question you need to find the value of angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Now from here I am going to give the solution. So that is I am going to give the solution here. Now students, in the diagram you can find that these two lines are intersecting. AB and CD are intersecting at point O. So if it is 40 degree, then that is the vertically opposite angle. If it is just like that, one line and second line are going to intersect like this. So these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Here you can match with the diagram. If it is 40 degree, then it will be also 40 degree. So here by the property of vertically opposite angles, angle AOC equal to 40 degrees. So here you will write it, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. If you are going to write this statement, what is the reason to write this statement? Here you will write in the bracket vertically opposite angles. In the short, VOA is written. It means that vertically opposite angle. These two are the vertically opposite angle. That's why both are equal. So it shows that angle AOC equal to, and angle BOD is given in the question 40 degrees. So it is 40 degrees. So here you got the value of angle AOC, that is 40 degree. Now in the question it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Here it is given in the question, angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So that is given in the question. So that's why I have written this statement, I have written that is given in the question. Now here angle AOC is 40 degrees. So here I am going to write 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. It shows that angle BOE equal to, if 40 is transferred in the right side, it will be 70 degree minus 40 degree, that is equal to 30 degree. So it shows that angle BOE equal to 30 degree. So in the question one part was asked that find the value of angle BOE. So angle BOE equal to 30 degree. Now again in the question you need to find reflex of angle COE. So if you are going to find the reflex of any angle, like here you need to find the reflex of angle COE, then first you need to find the value of angle COE. So here it is angle COE. So that is the angle COE. You need to find the value of angle COE. Now students, here you can get that AB is a straight line. Here AB is a straight line. So the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. On a straight line you are going to get that 180 degree angle. So here angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degrees. So here I am going to write angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE. It is equal to 180 degree. So that is equal to. So if the sum of these three is 180 degree, what is the region? Here you can write in the bracket angles on a straight line. On a straight line. So these angles are formed on the straight line, that's why their sum will be 180 degree. So here angle AOC plus angle BOE, angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is given in the question 70 degree. So at the place of angle AOC plus angle BOE I am going to write 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. It shows that angle COE equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110 degree. So here I got the value of angle COE, that is 110 degree. But students, in the question it is asked the reflex of angle COE. So if you are going to find the reflex of any angle, then reflex of that angle will be 360 minus and whatever the angle is given. It means reflex of angle COE equal to 360 minus angle COE. So here you will write reflex of angle COE equal to 360 degree minus angle COE, that is equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree. Yeah, it is equal to 250 degree. So reflex of angle COE is 250 degree. So that is the complete solution of the given question number 1. So kindly note down the solution of the first question. Now students, here I have written the question number 2nd. In the given figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY equal to 90 degree and A ratio B equal to 2:3, find C. So here the diagram is given there. I am going to explain that question, how to solve it, and you need to solve that question by yourself with the proper steps. Here in the question it is given that two lines XY and MN. Here you can find in the diagram XY and MN. These are the two straight lines which are intersecting at point O. Angle POY, here angle POY it is given 90 degree, and A ratio B equal to 2:3. Here the ratio between these two angles is given, and you need to find C. So C is an angle. Here you need to find angle XON, that is the C. So you need to find the value of this angle, that is C. So here if it is 90 degree, then it will be also 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, so here it is also 90 degree. Region linear pair of angle. So A, let the A equal to 2x, then B equal to 3x, then 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree, then you will get the value of A and B. So here if you are going to get the value of B, now MN is a straight line, MN is a straight line, and if you are going to get the value of B, then B plus C, this angle, B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So here you got the value of B, then B plus C equal to 180, then put the numerical value of B, then you will get the C. So student, try to solve this question by yourself. That is the question number 2. Now students, here it is the question number 3rd. It is given that in the given figure angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Here the diagram is given. In this diagram it is given that in the question angle PQR, this angle, equal to angle PRT, this angle. So these two angles are given equal in the question, and you need to prove angle PQS, this angle, equal to angle PRT, this angle. You need to prove that these two angles are also equal. If these two are equal, then these two will be also equal. So I am going to give the proof here. So here in the solution that is given here, what is given in the question? In the question it is given that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. That is given here in the question. So I am going to make it equation 1, that is given here. It is given here. Now to prove, what you are going to prove here? You need to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. That you need to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Now I am going to give the proof here. If you are going to give the proof of any question, it is given in the question, prove that, then that is the proper way. First you will write given, then to prove. To prove means what you are going to prove here, and then proof means you are going to give the proof. Now here you need to prove PQS and PRT that are equal. So here students, this angle plus this angle, PQR plus angle PQS, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. These are the linear pair of angle. Here it is a straight line, so their sum will be 180 degree. So here I am going to write angle PQS plus angle PQR. Angle PQS plus angle PQR, that is equal to 180 degree. Here in the bracket you can write linear pair of angles. In the short it is written LPA, means linear pair of angles. Now if I am going to transfer that angle PQR, here angle PQR in the right side, then you will get angle PQS equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR, that is equation 2. Here I got that angle PQS equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. So that is the equation 2nd. Now students, here this angle plus this angle, these are also the linear pair of angles, so their sum will be 180 degree. So here I can write here angle PRT plus angle PRQ plus angle PRQ, it is equal to 180 degree. That is also linear pair of angles. That is linear pair of angles. So it shows that angle PRT, angle PRT. So now angle PRT, it is equal to 180 degree, and if you are going to transfer angle PRQ in the right side, it will be minus angle PRQ. Here students, in the equation number 1, angle PRQ and angle PQR are equal. So angle PRQ can be replaced by angle PQR. If both are equal, that is given in the question. So angle PRQ will be replaced by angle PQR. So here I am going to write angle PRT equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. Reason is that both are equal, so this value can be replaced by the second value, here angle PQR. From where I have replaced this? From equation 1. From equation 1. In the equation 1 I have written that both are equal, that is given in the question. Here it is given ki angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, that is given, so that's why I have replaced this. Now here it is equation 2nd, that is the equation, it is equation 3rd. You had made the two equations, so that is equation 3rd. Now compare both the equation. In equation 2, angle PQS equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. In the equation 3rd, angle PRT equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR. In both equation 2 and 3, right side is 180 minus angle PQR, 180 degree minus angle PQR. So if right value is equal, then left value will be also equal. So from equation 2 and 3, you can write it angle PQS equal to angle PRT, and it is proved. That you need to prove, so that is going to be proved. So kindly note down the solution, and it is the way to solve the question where it is asked the proof.